Can you tell me something about the life on Earth?
The life on Earth is so much life. We can go anywhere. We can go to the South Pole. We can go to Russia, any China, any country, and you can go to Thailand. Anywhere you can go in planet Earth. Anywhere in planet Earth is the beautifulest.
The beautifulest. So the most beautiful. Okay. What do you think about the life under the sea?
Fishes can't swim on land, only on sea.
Yes. So, which animal is the biggest in the world?
It's a whale.
Yes, it's a whale. Have you ever seen the real whale?
No.
No. Okay. One day, hope you will see, because you're gonna be a future scientist, right?